Ladies, cheers, ladies. Here we go.
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's too hot for podcast. It's too hot for podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Wait, where's my shots? Our shots. There you go.
My God.
You know how it goes. Cheers.
Cheers,
everybody.
guys.
You know, since the last time you saw us in our episodes, we have leveled up a lot. My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
And I'm Phoebe Walker.
Coming to you live from Forbes Park. This is Too
Hot for Podcast.
See our wall. It's all your likes and your views. So keep on watching us. Like, support, follow, and share this page because, you know, it helps our educational conversations. It elevates and it reaches the right people.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng mga napatangkad ko dyan.
Yeah.
Thank you for subscribing. At sa mga hindi pa matangkad, you guys are welcome to subscribe and watch our show.
Yeah, and it's gonna be exciting kasi marami tayong plano for the rest of the season.
That's right. That's right.
So abangan nyo yun, guys, in the coming episodes.
And you want to shout out all those who DM you girls?
Oh yeah, thanks for sending all your dick pics. It helps a lot.
Yeah. And what kind of messages are you getting? How come I don't know this?
There are disturbing messages that I get in the morning. Parang they had a long night tapos they DM me. But anyway.
Ako naman, sinasagot ko yung DM. Ang problema, hindi naman sila sumasagot after na sinagot ko. Sabi ko, let's go, hang out, send it over. I give them QR codes. They don't send me anything.
Gcash na Gcash.
Diba? So welcome to the show. Holiday season is just around the corner. Regalo. Diba? Gifts. Yeah. Gifts is what people are talking about. Okay, the hype with Labubu. I'm trying to figure out. You girls, bakit ano yun? What is it? What's a Labubu?
I don't know.
No, what is it first? Ano may Labubu?
Labubu is like yung mga dolls na mukhang monster.
Kasi nung time namin, it was actually trolls.
No,
like yung treasure troll.
But it's so weird kasi you know what? When I look at dolls, you're supposed to be like, so cute. Just like what I'm gonna give you today.
Yeah.
You're gonna look at the thing and you're gonna be like, oh. But
so,
this Labubu...
Ba't galit na galit kayo sa Labubu?
Kasi pag nakikita ko yung Labubu, nagagalit ako.
Nakakagalit.
Pag nakikita ko parang...
Is it not cute? Is it like a Frenchie? Na parang, it's cute but it's not cute?
May ipin na nakaganon. Parang ano.
Do you have a Labubu? Anybody have a Labubu here? Do you have one?
I mean, like, I don't judge people who have Labubu, but... I don't know.
Man.
Labubu is like making me angry.
Ang dami kong kilala na talagang pumupunta pa ng mga fair. Alam mo yon, just mga expo, pumipila just to get them. Kasi talagang
is it the price?
It's on trend.
Is it the hype na para bang mahal to, it's hard to find, and then everybody who don't have it, it's a status symbol na para bang slap soil lang kayo, ganun?
I don't know what it is, but
Gumawa kaya tayo ng doll natin, no, Phoebe?
Pwede.
Oo.
Sa ngalan ng...
Well, you know,
Labuba.
For those who don't know, that's why
La Lola?
She's so pissed at Labubu. Why is it that you're pissed at Labubu? Because you are a distributor of...
No, I'm not distributing it. It's just that I really like it. That's why.
So what is it that you like?
And
Can you get it?
And for that, I have something for you guys. Okay. Rico, this is for you, Phoebe.
Oh.
Okay, what is it?
It's called Sunny Angel.
Sunny Angel.
And then this one, Rico, for you, for boys. Kasi mahirap naman mag-Sunny Angel ka. Baka naman bigla kang
So mine is yoga.
mag-change ng mind. Here's another one for you.
Wow.
So if I opened it, does it decrease in value? I cannot resell it?
No, this one kasi is para siyang surprise in a box also.
Okay.
But you can attach it on your phone. Just like me, I have the special one.
Yan pala yun.
Kasi
Yung nasa
pag
phone
nabubunot
niya.
mo to, ito yung secret na I'm lucky. I got the secret one.
She's a unicorn.
Thank
so
you, Sunny
she
Angel.
Thank you.
swings both ways.
Cherie.
Pag unicorn, di ba ganon?
Yun ba yung ibig sabihin nun?
I think.
You'll never
rare.
know. Baka naman magbago isip
So
ko.
buksan ko mag-unbox ako. Here we
Ito
go.
super
Yes.
cute no? Kahit
Let's
kita
unbox
yung...
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry
This
Christmas.
is actually one of the parang ideas for gifts. This
How can they order
Christmas.
from you, Cherie?
No, they can just go to Fully Book.
Oh, just get it there.
Or you can DM me, at least.
Price tag pa. May price tag
diba?
pa.
Sorry naman sa
Okay,
price
okay
tag.
lang. Thank you, Cherie.
Thank
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Buksan natin.
Parang secret ano siya.
We are
So,
doing...
so for those who want this is for our viewers. I'll put it here.
Am I supposed to do ASM?
So you have to make a comment and then bigay na
Why
natin
do
to.
you deserve the Sunny Angel?
If you watch Too Hot for Podcast, and then pipili na lang tayo, Rico.
So
We'll
share...
just choose na lang.
Share it.
Yes.
Share it where you're watching this, of course,
Yeah.
Saunders page. Do share it and then tag yourself. And then we will choose from there.
No, and
Christmas
why
giveaway.
do they like the podcast?
Yes.
Diba?
Okay, so lagay nyo doon, okay?
This is for you, kung sino ka man na mapipili. Good luck.
So is it really packed like this?
Yes.
Go on, show us.
It's
Which one did you
surprising.
get?
What did you get, Rico? So this is Miski.
It's Misky. This is
Yeah,
the guy
it's
for the
Miski.
guys. Okay.
For the guys. Kasi mahirap naman mag-Sunny Angel ka. Baka...
You are what you receive, right?
Oh my God! So Rico.
Zen.
So this is me.
That's glow
this
in
is
the
me
dark.
when Phoebe overthinks.
Actually, Rico, alam mo, naglalakad yan sa gabi.
Yeah. This is me when Phoebe goes, I think I'm pregnant.
Oh my God, I've never said that. Uy. But this is glow in the dark daw.
Yeah, that's glow in the dark.
I have other
Let's
things that
keep
are
it
glow
here.
in the dark. But
So
hey.
while you're doing your thing, somebody's watching in the dark.
Super cute. All
Open
right.
yours. Open yours.
No, that's fine. That's good na. We'll keep it here.
Okay, so
Bakit? You don't want to open it?
open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Open.
Open.
Gift ideas for Christmas,
Yes.
guys.
So as you watch this
Angel.
episode, once again, feel free to go to Fully Booked. But then here on Too Hot for Podcast, we're generous. So share, comment, share it, share where you're watching this, tag yourself, and why you deserve it.
Yes.
And we will personally try to deliver it to you.
No, this
we
is
will
actually-
personally book the delivery for you.
This is actually special ha, kasi this is their anniversary. 20th anniversary. So, ito yung Sunny Angel na nakalingon sa likod.
May mistake pa pala siya. Ayan. This is called
So,
Sunny
whoever
Angel
will
Sweets.
share our podcast, yes, our episode, you'll get this. And then,
There you
pipili
go.
na lang kami.
You unbox it. Sorry, I unboxed mine like Mateo Gutierrez. And his PS5.
Dapat ba naayos pa yung ano?
Hindi naman.
may ano yan may ASMR yan.
What did you
get?
get?
Oh, diba? Pag ako nagkaroon ng hair, ganyan ang itsura, diba?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Cute na may patoy-toy pa siya.
Diba?
Is that what you call a penis? Patoy-toy?
Patoy-toy.
Toy-toy
It's
or
the
wiener.
conservative.
Or wiener.
Thank you so much, CJ.
Thank you.
Thank you.
CJ is our new girl today. She does our social media. And
Thank
she
you,
works so
CJ.
hard. Yeah. So these are gift ideas. Kayo, pag Christmas, pag holiday season, are you the type who's like do you gift something extra? I know, because I don't know well, Phoebe's here, but I don't know what to get her for Christmas.
Get her a dildo.
Oh my
I'm just kidding.
No, when I was single, my friend gifted me. Alam mo yung lipstick?
Sinong friend
Yeah.
ko?
Alam mo yung lipstick dildo, tapos may dildo din. Ay, yung ball pen, tapos yung dulo niya, yung
Yeah.
ganon. I have a lot
Para
of
pag
those.
nagsusulat ka, tapos
You
hindi
have
ka
a lot.
makaisip.
I have a lot of dildo things at home, right? But I don't use it. So kapag nagsusulat
Tapos
ka,
nilagay mo sa ulo mo.
actually, pag nagsusulat ka,
Ang
talagang
pangit.
nagpa-poing.
Nakalimutan. Nagsusulat and then, ano nga ba yun?
See, this is an awkward moment for us guys. But when she told me about this, as I hear this now, so do you still use it?
No, what? You mean the ball pen? Yeah, I use
Hindi
the
mo
ball
ba
pen.
nafe-feel?
But the lipstick, hindi na kasi medyo...
Hindi mo ba nafe-feel pagkalasing ka, pinapasok sa puwet mo?
On our previous episode, as you know the story, inagawan siya ng dildo ng date niya, di ba?
Sino?
On our previous episode.
Yeah. Grabe, sorry ha. Sorry, binuking kita. Wala namang name, pero you know who you are.
Hey, comment
Hey.
down there. We'll send over.
I hope you're doing well wherever you are.
Okay. So you no longer use that.
No, I never used it. I'm not a fan of it. Actually, nakakatawa ng kasi I did a movie in the past na sexy siya. First film ko. And then one of the workshop activities was to pretend you were masturbating. Okay. But being myself, I do not do that. I have no experience in sorry. It was somarating sa Shuri like, what?
Do you want me to teach you?
To have a return demo, here is Shuri. So, paano ba, Shuri, pag sa babae?
Pag sa babae, what do you mean? Like, just put it in your pikengkeng.
Pikengkeng. Word of the day. Okay, and then?
In your vajayjay. And then enjoy it. And then like, think of Rico, Phoebe.
Alam, ba't yung tunog ng vibrator mo? Parang yung cellphone na naka-silent.
Gano'n naman yun, di ba? Minsan nga, pag
sakto.
hindi ako sumasagot ng pag matagal akong sumagot, guys, alam nyo na.
Thank you from the CJ.
Thank you. Grabe yung first shot. Parang tinamaan na kaagad ako.
This is courtesy of Daddy Boy.
Yay!
Jack Coke. Jack Coke.
Ang sarap. Lasang Coke.
Yeah,
Jack
I know that is
Coke.
mine.
Yeah.
Jack
So
Coke.
good.
Thank you very
salamat.
much, CJ.
Thanks, CJ. Ang cute
Baka mawala ng trabaho si Meg.
So yun, anyway, back to my story, right? So I had to pretend to masturbate in front of the whole
So, paano mo ginawa?
cast. O di, nagano ko dun. I had to be honest.
Lagay mo, may stand ka dito. Lagay mo yan. Stand mo yan. I never seen you.
Pinademo.
No!
I never seen the
Wala
movie.
na akong ginawa.
Walang ginawa.
So I had to be honest and tell everybody na...
Uy, hindi kayo magjowa dito, ah.
Oo nga.
Wait lang, ulitin ko.
Demo. Sige, ikaw nga, demo. How do girls demo? Kasi sa lalaki, pag sa girls, hot. Pag sa lalaki, ang pangit ng itsura namin.
Paano pag sa lalaki?
And then we catch ourselves in the mirror. Oh shit, that's me. Oh shit, may pop-up, may commercial.
May pagano'n pa yun, oh. May pagano'n ng labi.
Ay, may commercial, dali. Nagbukas yung Lazada page, sarado. Virus.
Uy, in fairness, sa Lazada, nagbibenta na ng
Ngayon?
Yeah, I was so surprised. Pero you know what's weird? I think our phone is really listening to us.
Oh, definitely.
Kasi di ba every time we talk about it, pag open ko ng Lazada ko, yung nakalagay na commercial, yung dildo.
May dildo commercial sa
May
Lazada?
binili din ako, in fairness ha.
Dumating na agaron din, naka-package.
At saka ang bilis dumating.
Oo, di ba?
Oo.
Lazada, baka naman you wanna place an ad. Once
Okay,
again.
wait. So speaking about dildos, no, wala lang. May nabasa lang ako. Funny information. Germany
Daming
has
alam sa dildo pala nito.
created
Tapos,
a digital masturbation app for long-distance relationships.
Yeah, I love it. I have that.
Ay, nagamit mo na.
Yeah.
anong app yan? Anong app? Tingnan natin yung phone mo.
Galing mo, ah.
Anong
So,
app yan?
Ginamit. Wala
Ano?
dyan.
Wala dyan.
Nasa isang phone ko, syempre baka naman makita ng kung sino-sino yan.
Yeah.
Pang work phone ko to eh.
So, binasa ko talaga siya. It's on Nat Geo
Maganda
account.
siya. Like
Paano?
pag malayo yung jowa mo, pag nasa abroad. Kasi before matagal na to ha. I had a long distance relationship.
Kilala
Trip
ko siya.
lang.
Kilala ko ba siya?
Hindi mo kilala yun. Ano yun ni? Crazy yun. Charot! Siniraan na ex na
Lahat
kasi.
naman sila crazy.
Oo. Tapos,
Crazy hot sex.
ano siya, parang you put it inside your underwear. And then, i-operate niya from where he is. Like,
okay.
kahit saan.
I'm gonna send Phoebe this. You felt that?
So, sabay siya mag-activate.
Oo.
Kala ko parang Japanese style. Nagaganon parang S. Yeah.
Pero wala na, hindi ko na dinala dito kasi natakot ako kasi I had it abroad, 'di ba? Pero nakakatakot kasi baka pag sa airport, baka may isa kasi akong friend before na hinto siya sa airport dahil dun sa
Nag-vibrate.
dildo niya.
Oh.
So parang pagdaan ng x-ray.
Kasi
Excuse me.
nag-vibe, naka-on
Pero
kasi.
nakakahiya, 'di ba? I mean like, oh my
Imagine,
God.
oh, excuse me, ma'am. There's something inserted in your cavity. We have to do a search. It seems like a hard object.
Yeah.
And it's vibrating.
Yeah. So is that what you want for Christmas?
No. Hindi naman. No, I'm just saying it's really interesting, no? Kasi they
Kailangan
have
mo pa
these
ba yun? Hindi mo na
technology.
kailangan. Hello, Rico pa lang. Ito na ulo pa lang. Ano na yun?
All right, I think it's about that time for the Rated R jar.
Rated R jar!
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
Hoy, upgrade na yung Rated R jar natin.
Wow, in fairness ha. Iba na yung handwriting.
Oh, diba? Thank you to the great people of Miriam Bookstore.
Yeah. Okay, so you go
Phoebe.
first. Okay, me first.
Phoebe with our Rated R. Thank you guys for watching this. For those, by the end of the video, of course, don't forget to share. We got a lot of surprise for
Grabe
you
yung hair
guys.
ko. Kailangan ng magulo na halata bang hindi ako naligo ng 5 days. Charot.
Okay, here's
Baka
a question.
naman hair shaft.
Here's a question, guys. Is there still stigma around LGBTQ plus relationships in 2024?
Okay. This is very, very...
This is very sensitive,
I know.
I say yes.
Prepare to be bashed,
I say
guys.
yes. Because, of course, in the Philippines, ako pananaw ko lang dito, we're still a very religiously driven country, whether it's, the different religions, Catholic, Christian, Muslims, everything. We're a very religious country.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then on top of that, conservative din. Meron tayong, of course, we have the city people who's free, who's liberated, pero meron pa rin tayong probinsya ways. Diba? So, that's why if you notice films, especially film fest times, may mga movies silang ginagawa, like Private Benjamin, may mga lessons behind it.
Yeah.
Kasi nga sometimes, ang topics naging ganyan, yung nasa balita pa when you watch it, diba? Sometimes, isang member ng LGBT na ganun sa isang crime, nagiging sensationalized, but they don't show the good parts of it. So I think it's very, very crucial up to now.
Yeah. Like for me naman, wala naman, I don't really care. I mean, lahat naman tayo, we're all different, you know.
We just respect
So, yeah,
it.
we just respect whatever, kung anong meron. Respect lang. Sabi nga nila, love wins, di ba?
Yeah.
So, respect everyone. Yun lang yung sa akin.
From my respect and protect. Protect yourself as well at the same time. Don't be promiscuous. Don't go messing around. You know that, the other person, your partner won't get pregnant. Doesn't mean that you're not going to have no condom and go left and right. You know what I mean? People could get sick quick. You know what I mean? So yeah. Regardless of what sex you are, practice safe sex. So I know we were talking about dildos earlier, but practice safe sex.
Yeah, no, and everybody...
Don't share dildos.
And respect. Respect
Yeah,
talaga.
and
That's the
everybody
most important thing.
deserves to be happy.
Yeah.
Then, but I don't really have any strong opinions about it. It's just sometimes nakakalito lang siya.
Yes,
Yeah.
Kasi
it's
diba,
very confusing.
people say sometimes, lalo na ngayon sa States, diba, na parang identify your gender, male, sex, others, and then you have to...
Pero alam mo, in fairness, nakakalito din talaga. You know what? There was one point in my life that I thought na part ako ng LGBTQ kasi I had this, favorite actress of mine. Parang nagkaroon ng challenge in a game. And then kinis niya ako sa lips. Di ako nakatulog. Rico, 3 araw.
Nalito ka, na-turn on ka kasi.
Oo, parang oh my God, mag-change na ba ako ng ano?
Para lang the other day nung magkasama tayo, di
Oo,
ba?
sabi ko talaga, oh my God, hindi ako makatulog. Tapos, alam mo yung naging theme song ko for 3 days, yung I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Ayun.
Taste of her cherry chapsticks. Oh my God. Talaga sabi ko, my God, kinis ako sa lips ng favorite ko na artista. Hindi ko na babanggitin kung sino, pero it
local.
starts with letter A. Nagbigay ng clue.
Alamin ko yan. Letter.
Basta idol ko siya nung
Alam
bata
ko
ako.
na, letter J.
Hindi. J?
Oo, kagabi, kasama mo.
Hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Sino,
Letter
sino?
I. Chara! Basta crush
Si
ng bayan yun.
Isidro Agot.
No. Hindi. Ano yun? Straight yun.
Go
But
on.
straight din naman siya. Pero I mean, it was a challenge. Pero parang 3 days akong di nakatulog. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God. Tapos bigla na naginip ako one day. Tapos yung panaginip ko, I had a girlfriend daw. Tapos yung girlfriend ko, pinag-go down daw niya ako. Nagising ako, ayoko pala ng
To go down.
Ayoko pala ng shell. Gusto ko pa rin pala pure foods.
Pero,
So I therefore
are you
conclude.
open to like if a girl goes down on you? Does that make you?
Yun na nga yung hindi ko alam. Kasi hindi ko na
If a girl
panaginipan
goes
yun.
down on you, but you're straight,
Kasi
what
yung
does that make you?
panaginip ko, ako yung pinag-go down.
Ah.
Pero siguro it's a different story if the girl
Di ba? If you look at
Pero
it.
I don't know. Parang, hindi
Kunyari,
ko yata, I cannot imagine.
Kunyari, lasing ako. Tapos kasama ko, bro, biglang chups, whatever. Tapos ako, parang hindi ko alam, lasing ako eh. Kala ko, si PB, biglang pagtingin ko. Kala ko si PB, pagtingin ko si JP pala. Di ba? Hindi ko alam. So, does that make me, nag-enjoy ako eh. Nasarapan ako, hindi ko naman alam.
Oh my
Lasing nga
gosh!
ako. So, I'm confused.
Oh my gosh, Rico.
Would that make me confused? I'm just a question. Di ba?
Hindi. Ano yun? I mean like,
think this is what we
ikaw,
need to
ikaw
bring
ba, how
in-
will you feel? How will you feel if that happens to you?
afterwards. Because if you were unconscious at the time.
And then the next day you find out that it was a guy, what will you
I'll
feel?
be like, confused.
You'd be confused.
And then you enjoyed.
No, I'll be pissed off. But I'll be confused. Like, what has happened? I mean, I'll be like that. So,
You're confused kasi what just happened.
so, ganun. Pero,
So kasi akala mo si Phoebe yun.
Oo. Sabi
not
ko,
sexually confused.
baby, may taping pa ako bukas. Dalian mo.
No, but
Ako, iba naman kasi pagdating sa guys eh. I mean, like, I think pagdating sa girls, it's different. Because girl to girl, nakaka-turn on siya, di ba? I mean, like, for men.
Like,
But pag lalaki sa lalaki, parang iba yung pakiramdam. I mean, I just heard it from my other friends.
that's why I want to be more knowledgeable about this. So we have to talk to somebody. It could be, Boy Abunda or somebody.
Or maybe we can invite
Some
Rika.
authority.
Maybe we can invite Rika.
time for a
Hey,
shot.
okay, time for hold on, shots. Let's
Time
go.
for shots.
Check clock.
Thank
This is.
you. Wait.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Okay,
Guys,
let's go.
kung ano-anong sasabihin ko dito pagkatapos nitong shot na to.
Cheers,
Ito na yung
everybody.
third.
Umiinit na ang panahon, guys.
Thank you, Daddy Butch.
No, but you know what they
Puro kami
say.
dito We're pure when it comes to
You know what they
shots.
say, right? Kapag girl, mas alam niya how to please the
Same,
girl.
same with guys then.
Kasi
Kasi we know the veins and the arteries and
Yeah.
Oh,
the
yeah.
nerves and all
Actually,
that.
yung mga teachers ko nga dyan, yung mga friends ko na LGBTQ. Thank you guys for teaching me. I'm now a master of...
Wow! Girl,
I'm just
paturo
kidding.
naman.
Sure ko sa'yo. Ariko ha, alam mo
Alam mo,
na.
ninenervous ako sa inyo. Parang magti-3 man dating nito. Diba? Parang, okay. Magdodraw na ako, guys.
Go.
Okay. But wala lang, just one more thing if I can say about the LGBTQ. Kasi I met somebody who's pansexual. So
That's
meaning,
on any sex. No?
pansexual is lahat gusto niya.
Basta yung emotion
Kahit
of love.
tranny,
Yeah.
babae, lalaki, bakla, tibo, lahat. So na-realize ko lang, if you're pansexual, ang hirap siguro nun, like, kung seloso ka, no? Kasi parang lahat pwede mo pagselosan, no? Like, nakakapagod siguro. Wala lang. Yun lang.
Selosa ka kasi, di ba?
Coming from the jealous side of me.
Pero we want to get, we're welcoming, we'll get somebody from the LGBTQ community to guest on the show. So we have a better definition of everything.
Yes. I think we need your help, guys. So we can
you
also
on our
share
show, okay? So
your
feel
knowledge.
free to DM us on the show where you're watching this and we'll get you on the show. So we have a better knowledge kasi kung tatanga-tanga kami, that's what happens. You hurt people when you're tatanga-tanga, diba? And we want to educate you guys on the
Yeah.
show.
Okay, what's the next question?
My turn on the jar.
What's the next question?
Ang nanalo ng toaster. Can friends with benefits ever have a happy ending?
No.
Ito.
Well,
I'm gonna twist
Yeah, we
this.
have different
No.
opinions. I like this. I like
Definitely.
I will
Stop.
twist this
Not.
question because you could just say yes or no to this. No, if you have a significant other, may jowa ka na, will you tell them about your friends with benefits? Do they need to know the history of your friends with benefits?
If you're what? Sorry?
Kung may jowa ka.
May jowa ka na. Jowa na kayo. Kunyari. Do you have to tell them who your FUBUs were?
And you're still friends with the FUBU person.
Yes.
Okay.
Kunyari, nalaman mo, do you have to stay away from that FUBU friend? Kung FUBU kayo nun, pero ngayon friends lang kayo.
Hindi, pero kasi if you have a relationship na and you guys are really intimate with each other and you want to make the relationship last, syempre, you have to be loyal, di ba?
Yeah.
So ako kasi on my side, I can still be friends with my FUBUs. But wala nang ganun. Kumbaga parang, malinaw na yun na parang I'm in a serious relationship, we're friends. Kasi gets mo naman na yun, like what I said in the last topic, di ba? I mean like all you need is honesty. So, if you want a relationship na gusto mo na maging loyal na dun sa boyfriend mo, wala nang any fubu-fubu, di ba? Ganun.
Yeah.
But if fubu-fubu lang yung gusto mo talaga, then dapat malinaw ka dun. Yeah. So ako kasi, I'm still friends with,
Your FUBU.
not naman fubu. Kasi nagtatagal yung mga, di ko alam, parang hindi siya nagiging fubu kasi, kunyari, iniisip mo fubu lang.
Nasarapan eh.
Thanks to my LGBTQ family.
Nasarapan.
Hindi, pero kasi
Bubot,
nagiging
kalabubu.
relationship di ba? I mean, like, it will always start from there. But, kasi pwede mo namang maging honest na. Pag may boyfriend ka na, wala na.
Wala na.
Oo, loyal ka
Kung
na.
nag-break kayo ng boyfriend mo, babalik ka ulit sa FUBO mo.
Depende.
How about you,
Depende
Phoebe?
kung memorable yung FUBO mo.
Hindi ako kasi like my only experience of a FUBO is just one. And then it turned into something.
Yun na nga. Kasi sa mga
Yeah.
babae, mahirap magka-FUBO lang eh. Kasi it will always involve emotion
Oh, definitely.
and feelings. Kasi, I mean like for me lang, I don't like making like yung having sex lang without any feelings.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
either like you really like the person, 'di ba? Or yung tsaka hindi siya yung parang pang one time lang. So I don't know if you call it FUBO. Yung
Labubu.
Oo.
Labubu.
Huwag na natin pag-usapan yung labubu.
Hindi nga kasi for men, it's the sexual activity is a very physical thing. For women kasi,
Yeah.
it's an emotional thing. It's a mental thing. That's
Kaya
why
pala inaaway ako nito.
that's why foreplay is very important for women.
Foreplay.
Yeah.
Kailangan gusto nung girl eh. Hindi yung pilit eh. So yun lang. So definitely no. The
Hindi,
answer
kaya
for
pala
this
nung
no.
before, nung 4 months na kami.
Hindi kayo
Hindi pa
mag-jowa
kami.
dito, reminder
Tapos
lang. Charot!
Hindi, pero inaaway niya ako.
Bakit?
Na para bang, ano ba tayo? Ano ba to? What are we doing? What we're doing?
No, kasi you know what, like what I said, Phoebe, alam mo nung nababanggit ka na sa akin ni Rico, sabi ko talaga, Rico, matinong babae yan ha. I mean like, I really like
Mabango
her.
eh.
I really like her for you.
Amoy ano? Amoy Creed. Amoy Creed.
Kasi I know of her before. And we had the same handler, di ba?
Yeah.
And alam ko talaga na matinong tao si Phoebe. That's why when I found out, go mo na yan, bro. Go, I like her, bro.
No, it's not. Oh, ikaw. Your turn.
Ay, di pala kayo mag-jowa dito. Sorry, I forgot.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn.
I believe this is the last one.
Yeah, Radar Jar. Don't forget where you're watching this. Continue to share,
Ano to?
like, and you give a chance to win some labubus.
What would you do if your partner wanted to film your intimate moments?
Uy.
Why not?
Alam mo,
Why
ikaw mauna,
not?
may kwento ako dito.
Why not? I like it. I mean like sometimes, like when you film
Have you
yourself.
ever filmed?
Of course. I like filming myself. Sabay ganun. No, I mean like kasi, pag pinilm mo yung sarili mo, pag malayo siya sa'yo, pwede mo panoorin yun sometimes na parang, oh my God, I miss him. Sige nga, panoorin ko nga yung video. Oh my gosh, namimiss ko siya lalo. Ganon.
Meron pala siyang birthmark sa puwet. Ganun.
Hindi, dapat pala ginalingan ko pa yung pag-helicopter ko. Yung ganon. Ay, dapat pala ginalingan ko pa yung pag-moan ko. Ganon. Parang dapat pala may yun. May
So if it's on
to
video,
the tune of.
does it change when it comes to performance for you girls? Have you ever videoed yourself?
Kasi iniisip ko talaga no?
Yeah, I can't wait for her to answer
I mean,
the
like, why
question.
not?
Yeah, you have performance.
Yeah, like,
Kailangan you have to, di ba?
Ikaw.
Article for the
Hindi tayo
cabinet.
magjowa dito. Sige, maglatag
hindi naman. I mean, like, I think it's more exciting lang.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo yung look niya. O ikaw, have you ever filmed yourself?
Okay. Pag iniisip ko na I'm gonna film myself while doing it, parang nakakadagdag ng gana.
Right? Alam mo na.
But definitely, kailangan naka-airplane mode. Tapos,
Oo, tapos bigla mong ma-share, di ba? Oh my gosh.
Tapos,
wala na.
straight after you film it, delete.
No.
Yeah.
Ako, I don't delete.
Oh, delete.
Alam mo ba, pinapadalan ako ng
save
dick pic
it.
nito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sabi ko, you have a dick? He goes, nagpadala sa akin, Rico, tignan mo.
Rico, I just wanna share my
Naliit ako.
my struggles.
Naliit ako sa pinatabi ko.
Kasi alam mo bakit? Gusto kong hiluran ng bato. Alam mo yung bato na guys, kung magpadala naman kayo ng dick pic, siguraduhin nyo naman na naghilod kayo ng mga 1 week, di ba?
Pantay-pantay yung color, no? Walang discoloration.
Kasi parang may mga burnik-burnik pa eh.
But anyway,
Sana man lang maghilod muna kayo bago kayo magpadala ng dick pic para shareable naman siya, di ba?
Ay, Rico, sige, about
so, you know, like she was mentioning about filming. There's one time that we were drinking so much. She goes, we have the Osmo. And she goes, can we film ourselves?
Oh.
Sabi ko. And she was telling me.
Go, Phoebe! I love it!
Yeah.
Di niya maalala, Rico.
this is a lie.
Yeah, like 40 grams. And you're like, can we film ourselves? I'm like, we have no charge on the
I
battery.
can't remember.
You can. That's a fun
Ako
part.
ba yun?
Yes.
Or baka iba na naman?
Ikaw
Kasi
lang
may,
naman.
sometimes may mga moments na parang naalala mo. Kaya kanina, pagdating natin dito, diba? Sabi mo, you've been here before, right? Sabi ko, no. Ano ito? Iba na naman. Iba na naman yung kasama mo.
Sila Mix ang kasama ko
Like,
dito.
it's my first time here. What are you talking about?
Sabi ni Mix,
We've been here before, babe. We even had shots there.
I wouldn't be surprised.
No, pero
okay lang yan,
filming.
Mix. Alam mo, hindi naman masamang gumanti. Gumanti ka minsan.
Pwede.
Nung time that the camera phones are on, that was a thought. Pero when the scandals came out, that was sort of a hard thing.
Hindi,
you know.
dapat kasi magpaalam. Iba
Kasi
naman,
pagkuha ka ng
iba naman
cellphone.
yung hindi nagpapaalam eh. Tsaka iba yung sinishare nyo.
So papaalam ko sa'yo,
Dapat
ha?
i-share nyo rin yung kita.
I mean, may mga time nga si Phoebe,
50-50.
naka-full makeup eh. Sabi ko, wow, ganito pala yung feeling kapag nag-film ng...
Ay, Diyos ko, day.
Anyway,
not?
Sapa
Exciting
Shot
yun, no?
Clock,
Hello.
Shot Clock.
Oh my God, nalalasing na ako.
Jack Coke.
Thank you.
Jack Coke
Yay, baka
again.
naman.
Cheers,
Jack Coke.
guys.
Thank you to, of course, Daddy BJ.
Woo! All right,
Sarap.
and I believe that is the end of our Rated R jar.
Yeah, you know, Naked Truth time.
Oh my god. Oh my god. The Naked Truth. Too hot for podcast. The Naked Truth.
I've learned a lot from filming LGBTQ as far as the respect
No,
level.
but
we have
really-
yet to learn more.
Yeah.
We have yet to
Yeah.
learn more.
We are welcoming LGBTQ na
To
pwede
join us,
mag-share,
have
to
a
join us.
discussion,
Yeah.
teach us, and we'll learn from you guys, you know, and girls and everything on the letter. Kasi we want to learn. Kasi kami, it's like every day we approach it differently. Parang every day there's something different. And it's a respect level. At the end of the day, we are aim for peace in the world. Diba?
Yeah.
There's a lot of things that happens. Diba? So, yeah.
Gulo, no? But it's okay. We can do it.
Yeah. So we are inviting you guys probably in the
Kapit
next
lang, guys.
2 episodes we will on that one.
Yeah. And girls, if you do decide to film yourselves with your partner, make sure it's on airplane mode, okay? Protect
And-
yourself.
yeah.
Kasi mahirap pag nag-break kayo tapos alam mo nang nasa kanya yung video nyo. Shit, patay ka.
So,
Hindi, dapat nasa babae yung video.
Always use your own
question,
cellphone.
kung may mag-surface na video now, kung may jowa ka na, does your jowa have the right to get mad? Kung yung video na yun was from a decade or 5 years.
Wala, lahat naman tayo, we have past, di ba? Hello? Kung past naman na yun, wala nang
Nervous
selosan.
ako sa tawa nito eh. Pero ako naman, parang...
Parang iba nga yung tawa ni Phoebe.
Oo.
Phoebe, baka may isi-share ka.
Hindi, natatawa kasi ako para lagi kasi kami opposite ng sagot ni Cherie.
Oo. Si Cherie ang pinakamaayos, di ba? Ikaw parang, hey, you're supposed to be like a...
Parang judgmental ko tuloy.
Hindi naman. We have different opinions lang. Siyempre dito natin makikita yung dynamics nating tatlo na sobrang magkaiba tayong tao. And for sure, people who are watching, we are all different in
Yes.
all levels, diba? And we have different opinions in anything. So parang welcome na welcome kung ano yung mga opinions nyo.
Comment on where you're watching this. Comment
Yeah.
section, alright? It's very much, you know,
Yeah,
live.
why not? Why
Okay.
not?
Phoebe,
Yeah. So there you
Natatawa
go.
ako kay Phoebe.
Airplane mode. Ano ba?
airplane mode.
Airplane mode.
Oh, okay.
Hindi,
So-
tsaka ingat lang. Dapat may passcode.
Okay, ingat kasi malinaw na mga video ngayon.
Uy, hindi. Tsaka, yung yung alam mo yung parang pag nakikipag-video
Call?
sex kayo sa ibang tao, make sure na you trust that person. Kasi that happened to me one time, ha.
May ka-video, ano ka?
Siyempre kasi long distance relationship
So what do you
yun.
do pag ganun?
And then tinreten ako na isi-share niya yung...
Extortion.
And then he messaged pa yung mga showbiz channels dito sa Philippines. And then I had to send him a letter from the lawyer na... So ingat lang. I mean like, it was a lesson for me that I wanna share to our viewers na just be careful.
So Phoebe, be careful. If you ever message me and try to
Extremely.
threaten me with our videos, I have the people of Saunders.
Ay, hindi kayo magjowa
send
dito.
you a letter.
Buti na lang we have lawyers here
Yes,
in our
we have
show.
lawyers in our show.
Yeah, thank you to
protect
Saunders.
us. But thank you guys for
Yeah.
taking time to watch. We hope you learn a thing or two on our show today as far as the different venues that we have spoken. Of course, the holiday season just around the corner. Don't forget, we're looking for you.
Yeah,
Maybe you'll
perfect
receive
gift.
these, you know what I mean? Sunny angels, you know what I mean? You give it to your la-boo-boo. Hey. Hey, till then, my name is Rico Robles.
I'm Sheree.
And I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
Merry Christmas, guys.
coming
Christmas,
to a
everyone.
cell phone near you.